Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss artificial intelligence Turing test that is very important for your examination. I will start with the introduction to Turing test, and along with this we will discuss the functions that is very important for all AI machines. So now let's just start the discussion. So at first, students, you should note that Turing test was proposed by Alan Turing in 1950s, and this Turing test is primarily a measure for assessing whether a machine can exhibit human-like intelligence through any language or interaction. We need Turing test in almost all kind of AI tools, and the need of Turing test includes that it can define AI tools. Turing test allow us to define AI tools. It provides a simple and clear criteria to evaluate. Basically, this test is to evaluate anything. Okay, so Turing test can simply or clearly evaluate whether a machine can think or act intelligently in a way humans can recognize or not. Another need can be your benchmarking. Another need can be your benchmarking AI progress. Here, the Turing test serves as benchmark for all the AI developers, passing its suggestions that AI can effectively mimic. AI can effectively mimic human thought process, at least in communication and reasoning. ओके सो ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट जो है यही सब सजेशंस के लिए एआई को और प्रोग्रेसिव बनाने के लिए उनको इवैल्यूएट करने में बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करता है. Okay, if we want to understand human cognition, then also Turing test can help us. All right, now let's just talk about some functions of Turing test. So here we have the first function is evaluating language processing ability. So Turing test has a power to evaluate any language processing ability. That means a Turing test assesses a machine's ability. It can assess a machine's ability to understand and generate human languages, which is fundamental for natural language processing. We have already discussed about natural language processing. All right. So the Turing machine assesses machine's ability to understand and generate human language, which is fundamental for natural language processing applications like chatbots, like language translator, and voice assistants. All right, so this is taken under the evaluating language processing abilities. Another function can be your assessing conversational skills. So Turing test can examine how well a machine can hold a coherent conversation, which is essential for applications requiring human computer interaction such as customer service bots and virtual companions. ऐसे इसका एक एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको बताती हूँ. We have so many English learning apps, we have so many Hindi learning app. In simple terms, we can say we have so many language learning apps, right? जिसमें कि हम अगर as human कुछ भी लिखते हैं, कुछ भी बोलते हैं, तो artificial intelligence के थ्रू सिस्टम हमें उसका रिप्लाई करता है, हमारी ग्रामर को वो सही करता है, हमारे रिस्पॉन्सेस को वो इवेल्युएट करने में हेल्प करता है. सो दिस इज टेकन अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट असेसिंग कन्वर्सेशनल स्किल्स. All right. Third point can be your benchmarking human-like intelligence. We have discussed this earlier. Ki it serves as an early benchmark for intelligence by gauging how convincingly a machine can replicate human reasoning and response patterns. It can evaluate the human reasoning and response pattern of any person, which are fundamental to passing an intelligence. Next point we have is stimulating AI research. Stimulating AI research is very important. We can simply say it as the Turing test motivates advancements in various AI subfields like machine learning, like natural language processing, and cognitive computing. As researchers aim to develop systems that can help them easily understand anything. Next point we have is demonstrating progress in AI. Demonstrating progress in AI. So, passing the Turing test serves as a milestone. If any AI passes a Turing test, it is a milestone to demonstrate improvements in AI that shows advancements in a machine's ability to imitate human intelligence, a goal that has shaped AI's growth. So, this is under the demonstrating progress in AI. Next, we have is evaluating machine empathy. So, while not a while not a perfect measure, the test indirectly examines, if not directly, a test indirectly examines or indirectly evaluates a machine's ability to show empathy or at least imitate empathetic responses essential for applications in therapy boards or emotional intelligence tools. So, machine empathy is very much useful in any therapy boards or emotional intelligence tools. That is a very important statement. Another function can be your encouraging ethical considerations. So, the Turing test raises ethical questions. It always raises ethical questions about implications of machines that can imitate human convincingly. Also, this has led to guidelines and regulations around AI transparency and responsible designs. Another point is your pushing limits of AI creativity. So, as we all know, AI is very smart, AI is very creative. If we want to push its limits, then Turing test can be used. We all know machines that pass Turing test are expected to answer unpredictably human questions, encouraging research into AI's ability to think creatively and respond in non formulaic ways. So, this is very important that we need to push limits of AI creativity. Another point is your testing contextual understanding. So, students, why requiring machines? We all are using AI these days, right? So, by requiring machines to answer any complex content based questions, the Turing test challenges AI to go beyond pre programmed responses and demonstrate a deeper grasp of conceptual cues and subtitles in languages. So, this is also very important part. Another point can be your fostering public interest in debate. So, the Turing test has popularized AI just because of Turing test इन्होंने AI को popularize किया है. The Turing test has popularized AI by bringing discussion the discussions about machine intelligence, consciousness, and nature of human cognition to the public, increasing understanding and sparking debates on AI's role in society. So, this is taken under the fostering public interest and debates. So, students, all these are the important functions under your Turing test that helps any AI device to work properly, any AI device to work smartly. So, that's all for today. I hope you liked the session. Thank you so much and all the best.